Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove labels from your Gmail inbox. If you've accumulated labels over time that you no longer use or need, cleaning them up can simplify your inbox and make navigation much easier. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to mail.google.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox with the familiar left sidebar that displays all your folders and labels. Now, take a look at that left sidebar and scroll down until you spot the section labeled More. This section hides additional labels that aren't immediately visible on the main list. Click on More to expand it, and you'll see the full list of all your custom labels appear. This is where Gmail tucks away labels you may not use as frequently, so it's important to check here. Next, scroll through this expanded list and find the specific label you want to delete. Once you've located it, hover your mouse directly over the label name. As you do this, you'll notice 3 dots appear to the right of the label. These 3 dots are your gateway to managing that label. Go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Remove Label. This action tells Gmail you want to permanently delete this label from your account. It's important to note that removing a label won't delete the emails tagged with it. Those emails will remain in your inbox and other folders, just without that specific label attached. After clicking Remove Label, a small confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Gmail's way of making sure you really want to proceed. Click Delete to confirm your choice. Wait a few seconds and you'll see the label disappear from your sidebar. It's gone for good. If you have multiple labels to remove, simply repeat this process for each one. Hover over the label, click the 3 dots, select Remove Label, and confirm by clicking Delete. It's a quick and efficient way to declutter your Gmail setup. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Gmail labels. This simple maintenance task can make your inbox feel much more organized and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.